Family, welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own drink for glowing and also boosting. Okay guys, so let's go and watch the video to the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell, and also like and share. Let me show you how this drink is made of. Okay guys, yes, I'm using my beetroot. Beetroot glows the skin. It fights against acne and pimples. It helps hydrate dry skin. It brightens the skin. And I'm using my carrot. Carrot also help in elasticity, skin elasticity. It contains vitamin C. It also have anti-aging properties. It reduces pimples. It reduces redness and scarring. And also apple. What does apple does to the skin? It lowers cholesterol. It reduces blood pressure. It's smoothing irritating skin and also reducing blemishes. So it is very good. But please, I added in a little of my ginger. Yes, ginger brightens the skin naturally. It enhances blood circulation. The blood circulation aspect is what I need from this drink. So I added in some little of my ginger. It contains antiseptic properties. So it is very good in this production. And I have chopped all my things that I'm going to use, the vegetables and the fruits. I've chopped it into smaller pieces. This is the apple and also my ginger, my carrot, and my beetroot. I will be showing you all the ingredients before I'll go and blend it and bring it back here for you to see how this juice can be made. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Yes guys, this is my chopped carrot. I cut it into pieces. This is my beetroot. I also cut it into pieces. And this is my apple. Yes, all of it, 3 each. All of them, 3 each. Only the ginger is smaller pieces, small. And this is my ginger for blood circulation properties and also giving me a brighter skin naturally. So I'm going to blend them. See you. I'll be back. This is my blended vegetable and fruits. Guys, I've blended all of it and I'm going to sieve it out. Yes, if you know that yours will become too thick, you can add in more water for it to become more watery, for you to sieve it properly and very well and easy. So this, I have sieved it and it is nice. It looks like sobolo, but it is not sobolo. Please guys, this one is not sobolo at all. Yes, but please, those who love and like sugar, you can add in a drop or a pinch of a sugar or little of your sugar into it. For me, I'm not sugaring fan, so I will not add in a sugar into this one. If you are giving it to your child or anybody, you can also add in a little of your sugar, little small sugar of it. Okay, then you scoop it into your bottle and you put it in your fridge. You take it. This one is a glowing, very glowing drink. You can take it to boost your skin and also glowing your skin as well. Guys, this is mine. Yes, at the end I scoop a little of it and I'm going to take it out. It look nice. Very nice. Nice one. So guys, please don't forget to always do it at least once a week. It look like homemade gluta berry. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. I love you guys. Bye bye.